Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to pick this lock here. Now I got this lock from Ace Hardware. It's a pretty standard basic lock that uses a very common mechanism featured in most locks called a pin tumbler, which basically just means it uses pins to keep it locked. Now over here I have the lockpick set that we will be using. This is called the Echelon set, which I will cover in more depth in another video. I really like this set a lot, and if you guys do want to buy one, I'll link it in the description below. This here is a pretty common pick used for picking individual pins that comes in this set. And finally, over here is our last tool that we'll be using, called a tension bar. Now before we go any further, you might be wondering what all these tools are for and how a lock even works. So let's talk about it. So here is a diagram of what our lock looks like on the inside. The uneven cylinders here are the actual pins of the lock that keep the lock shut until the pins are pushed up and aligned in a certain way, which is what a key is for. The big gray object that is sticking into the lock here is our pick, which will be used as a substitute for the key. To unlock the lock with a pick, all the pins will have to be pushed up individually by moving the pick up and down and dragging back and forth. Now while you are doing this, you will keep the tension bar here lodged inside of the lock, and with your hand you will need to turn it clockwise. Now obviously you won't be able to turn it all the way since the lock is locked, but it will turn a little, so just keep pressure on the bar while you keep the bar turned. The purpose of this is to keep the pins from falling back down while you push them upward. Now with all of that out of the way, let's actually pick this thing. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and grab my pick here. And then I'll insert it like so. Just like that. And now I'm going to grab my tension bar. And for this lock, I'll be using the short end since I find it easier to work with. Also note that the video is mirrored, so it looks like I have the bar here inserted and turned counterclockwise, but in reality it is clockwise, so just keep in mind to turn in the proper direction. So now, while keeping the bar turned, I'm going to start picking by moving the pick up and down and dragging it from the back to the front to hit all the pins. And boom! Just like that, the lock has been picked. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching.